Gavana Bw'Ekomiti ya Nakuru Susan Kihika nigo aika Bw'Ekomiti ya Senate ya Public Accounts erikwena AMABORIO igoro y'obutumiki bw'CHIBESA insi y'oburayi bwaye ase omwaka bw'CHIBESA w'ekilfu-2024-2025 buna ekubwatya asayereire ase obwime.
We are not talking of loss of funds here, we're just talking about prudence in management of resources.
Thank you, Chair, and thank you, members. And I like that spirited debate because actually here we have an issue. One, without the logbooks, even if it's from 1902, we cannot dispose. I mean, we just cannot. We would run, we'll be in trouble. We actually, I'm being told that there's a time before my time where they tried to dispose such assets and they could not because there are no logbooks. So one is that issue of the logbooks. Two, for us, we have made a prudent decision based on finances that for the vehicles we have paid to have NTSA get us logbooks. Those are only the serviceable vehicles, not those that are sitting on stones. But I think, Chair, you have just cracked it. If we could get NTSA to give us waivers on the transfer for those that don't move, maybe at nominal value, then we would be able to dispose of those vehicles, and even if it's 1,000 here, 1,000 there, maybe be able to buy a new vehicle. So that has been a problem. We can't dispose because we don't have the logbooks, and we also cannot go get logbooks for vehicles that are actually not serviceable at all. On the land issue, so that was that on the vehicles. And on the land issue, as we said, we have 10 that we have involved the EACC. Thankfully, one has been returned. The other 9, the investigations are still ongoing. There's also an issue as far as some of the other land from the State Department of Devolution, or where they are not, initially they have to identify the land, value it, and then transfer it to us. So they keep telling us there's no budget. So there's also a financial implication that has made the progress very slow. So those are some of the issues as counties we are facing, but I also agree with you, and I think Senator Dulo said it very well. If you could have the IGRTC people before the Senate, perhaps they can help hasten or kick the ball further down the road, because they really hold the key to unlocking a lot of this. And when they are slow, we are also grounded. Thank you, Chair.
Senator Sifuna, who might want to run for president, should note this very carefully. We can prepare a policy so that all these grounded vehicles to the government or counties and national should be taken to TVET for our sons and daughters to use for training, especially in mechanical.
Some of them are running archaic technologies.
It's a very good meeting because as a county, we want to do better. We are big on transparency, and we want to make sure that the people of Nakuru County are getting value for money. So for us, we take this as a very important committee.
Asante moyende chinga ke serikali agendere chekwene ke buno bokoreri bwensi bwe serikali